anything. Chicken, winner, I don't.
Chicken dinner.
My lip is quivering. My blood is boiling.
Like I can visibly see like that you are uncomfortable.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
This is a place called Party Fowl. We did something kind of like this in Madison. What was it, Dave's Hot Chicken?
Yeah.
That was, if you know me, I'm not a spicy guy, so this will be fun. What did I think of the Madison one? I'm trying to remember. That was a while ago. Oh, it does have a kick afterwards.
Yeah. Yep. Oh, that must have been the hot one? What?
It's not the hot one. Wow. It had a kick. So we're in Nashville. We're gonna get some kicking chicken.
Yeah, and this really is all you can get when you come here. You know, barbecue.
Well, barbecue's a big one for sure.
Yeah.
By the way, this was recommended to us from some friends of ours, also YouTubers. I'll put their information on the channel here. So if this is good, thumbs up to the Nerds on the Go family that live in the area. If it's bad, we're coming after you. Sounds like this is a little chain here in the area, huh? There's a few locations.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's a full menu. I'm going to link their information in the description of this video, so you'll be able to find their menu and more information on this place if you are curious. I'm making up words again. Yeah, it's just hard to see everything in here, so check out the link in the description if you are interested. Draft pick going on TV right now, so they're doing the NFL draft pick, and they just did a drafted somebody for the Tennessee Titans, of course, here in Nashville. And this table over here on the other side of the camera just got very serious as I started watching it. Something tells me this is not the place where I start yelling, "Go Wisconsin." I would get mugged if I started yelling, "Go Packers." Yeah.
Probably.
That would not sit well with the people out here.
They're very happy about that, though. Huh?
Yeah. Well, that's Atlanta right now. That just did a draft. Yeah, it was Tennessee a couple moments ago.
Very excited for these young players, right?
The food has arrived. All right, let's start with Kelly. Let's take a good look here. What did you get?
So it was called brick chicken.
Yeah.
So it's chicken with spinach and cheese and peppers, and then they put a brick on it. It's like brick, then they it all kind of roasts together. I don't know.
Where's the brick?
That's how they cook it.
All right. That looks good. Actually, it smells. Is that yours?
Yes, it smells
One of them
amazing.
smells really good.
Yeah.
It is Kelly's. That's what I thought. Pardon me as I smell our food.
Okay.
That smells really good.
Yeah.
Okay. I got the chicken quesadilla. I went with the mild.
Oh yeah.
So I'm gonna do that.
Yeah.
I will not be touching this stuff. This yuck.
Yum.
And they're just letting me know that I went with the mild. Take this back as a souvenir or something in Nashville. So you dig in first. Take a bite of yours. Mine.
Then there's a vinaigrette et cetera.
Yeah, I can smell yours. I don't smell mine, but yours smells very good.
Maverick will not like this.
What's that?
You won't like this, though.
No, sure smells good. I won't like it at all, though, huh?
You don't like spinach, right? Am I right?
No, yeah.
But maybe you'll have a bite of the chicken.
I'll try your chicken.
Yeah.
I won't touch your spinach, though.
Oh, yum.
You like it? Good?
It's really tasty.
Mine doesn't even have a smell. I'm going to sniff mine again here. I don't smell anything. Mine does not have a smell. Here comes a piece of Kelly's chicken. That's good.
Yeah, it's really good.
That's very good.
Yep. Okay.
I'm trying to figure out what the season is. There's a seasoning or something in it. You know what it almost tastes like? I know it's not this. Was it like a sage or something, like in stuffing?
There's sage in here.
Maybe that's what I'm tasting in, is a sage.
Sage and goat cheese and red peppers, spinach inside of it. So yeah,
There's.
that's what you're tasting.
I taste the sage.
Yummy.
Chicken. No, was it? Chicken, or was it something? Winner, chicken dinner. chicken, winner, I don't.
Chicken dinner.
Actually, I don't even need the fork or anything. That's okay, no problem. Oh my god!
Oh my god.
Oh. She jumps. Oh my god! We just got a free dinner. Faking an injury.
Oh my god.
Alright, so that's the inside of it there. I smell it a little bit. Yours has a real nice aroma to it, but this, I smell it now. It was just blocked before.
Take a bite.
It smells smoked.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yummy.
Mild is good enough.
Oh, it's got a kick? Really?
Even the mild.
Oh, okay.
I don't do well with spices, so I can taste the mild. To me, this is almost like a hot. I'm sure the average person that's into spices would say, dude, you're a wimp. And I am with this, but let's see what you think. It says mild.
Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit of sour cream and avocado on my bite.
Should say wild. Wow. Is it me or does it have a kick?
Oh, yeah.
Doesn't it? A little bit more than a mild to me, at least, right?
Yeah, it's really good though.
It is good. It's very good.
Yeah.
It's just got a bit of a kick.
It almost tastes like barbecue chicken.
That's what I was saying. It's got like a smoked smell to it. Yeah.
Yeah. It's good though.
It is good. Kelly is trying to get me to eat this goat cheese over here.
He needs to try like rotten horizons. That's a term with food.
No, I don't.
Like meat and potatoes and like, no spice, no nothing.
This is spicy. So what is that?
Try goat cheese.
Oh. Keep this close by here. You're seeing this. I didn't even taste it. That worked out. That was good. I didn't even taste it. What's that?
Brat.
Thank God I had the water handy.
Oh my gosh.
I really didn't taste it.
Anyways, well, yeah, because you didn't want to.
But I tried it. Oh my God, I know you can't really see it. My nose is running. My lip is quivering. My blood is boiling.
Like I can visibly see it, like that you were uncomfortable.
This is water number 28. It tastes delicious. It really does. I enjoy the smoked chicken flavor to it. It tastes delicious. I can't even handle the mild though. This is crazy. Give me the number to 911, please. Oh, this is hot. All right, what's going on here? We switched. We traded. I wimped out.
It's okay.
I got permanent twitches now. All right, we'll start with you. With the one you ordered, too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I thought it was so good.
Yeah.
I really did. I enjoyed it. I did. I liked it. But I knew this mister was struggling, and I liked his too because he gave me a bite of it.
It was.
And I can take mild spice. But it was one of those spices that, like, the more you ate, like, the spicier it got.
Yeah.
So, but you couldn't stop eating it because it was so delicious. It was so good, fresh, and like yummy. So I don't know.
It was delicious.
It was.
And I agree with you. I mean, I couldn't stop eating it, hence the sores.
We're taking
and all of the
right
drooling that came out of my lip. It was delicious. So Jeremy from Nerds on the Go, he's got a YouTube channel. Again, it's linked in this video, and there you go, a little graphic on the screen there. Great pick. Thank you very much for the suggestion. I'm gonna have to send you a bill though to the clinic because that's where I'm going next now.
Such a win.
Now, this is a funny thing. Kelly could not finish it because she started saying, It does have kick.
Yeah. The
Yeah.
more, like I said, the more you ate it, it was
Yeah.
a little spicier, but so tasty like. So you just like wanted more. But it was super good.
And I did ask the waitress, I said, did you accidentally mix this up?
Right, to make it like spicy.
And she said no, but this was more of a, so I had what, the medium?
No, you had the mild.
The mild, I'm
which
sorry.
She said is
It's more like a medium at most
Yeah.
places then.
Yeah.
So it's kind of elevated here a little bit. So is it me or is my throat, my voice is going? I'm losing my voice.
See, we are kind of a, you know, we're from Wisconsin where it's like.
Yeah, we don't
like
do the sour
cows,
cheese.
cheese.
Yeah, the cheese comes out straight, no spices. It's that goat cheese you gave me.
Oh, the goat cheese
It's
was
messing
good.
up my
My
voice.
dish was so good. Like I liked it.
It was a good. It was great food. It tasted great. It was a fun environment. Definitely party oriented. Very clean in there.
Yep.
The party fowl in where are we? Somewhere near Nashville.
Yeah,
I don't
near
know.
the airport a little bit, right?
Yeah. I'll link this specific location in the description below.
Super good.
It was
I
awesome.
liked it.
Yeah. Not on other things here in Nashville. Subscribe, keep watching, and more to come. Hey, don't go anywhere yet. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It'll help others on YouTube find it just like you. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for travel, attractions, Wisconsin dells, and reviews. In the meantime, you can binge watch by clicking on one of these videos. Happy watching.
For behind the scenes, follow Maverick Hayes on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe to the fun.